Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my makeup favorites. So I haven't done one of these in a long time. It used to be something that I did very often on my channel. I used to do it every single month, but it was just a little too on repeat, you know, like I had to hurry up and find new favorite products before the next month and so on. So I was just like, girl, let's cancel that and just talk about products that I've really been loving this month. Since my last favorites video was so long ago, I honestly don't remember when the last one was. So if you want to see what my current makeup favorites has been or what they are, just keep on watching. And it's also a mix of, well, honestly, I was gonna say a mix of high-end and drugstore, but honestly it's a lot of very affordable products. So if you want to see the products that I've been loving, just keep on watching. So let's start off with the first product that I usually go in with, which is eyebrows. Okay, listen, I have not been able to let go of this product, and I've talked about it in other videos, but I wanted to mention it because I've still been loving it. Fortunately, I don't have it on today because I just filmed a full face of Temu, so I have some Temu products on my eyebrows right now, which is why they look a little dark. But you guys watch any other video that I've ever posted, girl, it's always with this product. So this is the SHEGLAM Brows on Demand 2-in-1 brow pencil in the shade Chocolate. Comes with a micro brow side, which looks like so. So really nice and really gives you like defined looking brows if you want, and it just is so precise, girl. And also does come with a marker side as well, which is really nice and easy to use. So I've never really been into marker products, as you guys know. I really was into those like fork looking products. Those work amazing. I did use one today from Temu. So this is definitely a product that I've been reaching for consistently for over a year or two, especially for work. It's just really quick and easy. I love the color as well. As you guys can tell, my eyebrows are looking a little dark because this shade is in ebony. I really love me a nice chocolate kind of shade for my brows now, so they're not looking as defined. Like today I'm feeling a little insecure about these, but it still looks good. It's just like something that's more like preference based. So if you haven't tried this product, definitely try it. They have many different eyebrow products on their website as well, so you want to check those out. But SHEGLAM is definitely one of my favorite type of brands. They come out with a lot of amazing products. I was going to add a primer that I've really been loving from them in this video, but I have talked about it and it was in my Shop My Stash recently as well. So yeah, amazing. Definitely check this out. All right, next we have the e.l.f. Camo CC cream, which is another oldie but goodie I've been using so often. And honestly, I get the most comments when I use this product on my makeup. It's just amazing. I love it for everyday use. I love that it comes with a pump. It's not messy. I love the color. I use mine in the shade medium 330W. Girl, if you haven't tried this, I know they came out with something recently, a new foundation, which everyone's raving about. I haven't tried it, but so far this is my holy grail foundation. Even though it's a CC cream, it still gives me coverage and it looks amazing throughout the day. So yeah, love this. And again, I do have oily skin, so this definitely keeps me matte, along with a powder that I'm gonna mention right now. But this one's so good. So if you haven't tried this product, girl, try it out. So I've been loving their concealer, which you guys know I repurchased recently. This one is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. This is a shade medium beige. I did recently buy it in a lighter shade, gave it away. I couldn't use it, but I like to use this alongside the LA Colors Conceal Correct in the shade Orange. These are just so good together. I love. And again, this is just a color corrector from the Dollar Tree, so you can find that wherever. But the Camo Concealer is definitely what brings everything together alongside the CC cream. It just works so well. Love the formulas. This is really nice and like full coverage vibe, so if you're not into that, maybe skip out on it. But I love me some coverage on the under eyes, girl. Love it. And I love that it dries down matte. It's not a glowy concealer. Love everything about this. So definitely, if you're on the market for a new concealer from the drugstore, definitely check out the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Let's go into Temu. I actually have two glosses, also oldies but goodies. Most of these products I mentioned in past videos. I'm re-talking about them now because I'm still loving them. So this is the JOLLYJOJO Hot Lip Gloss from Temu, as well as the Fantastic Beauty. This one, when I do a nice like brownie kind of lip, I could have thrown it on today. I just love this product, but it's a nice like honey kind of shade. I don't know how to explain it. It's just really beautiful. Also smells really good as well, and it's super glossy and not sticky. Also, this one here definitely has more glitter vibes. This is a Fantastic Beauty lip gloss in the shade Gloss Bomb and Pretty Please. Comes with a highlight as well in the little set that I purchased, but this one's also stunning, and it does have like more of a metallic kind of finish to it. Both of these are amazing. If you happen to see them on Temu, super affordable, and they're definitely worth the money. Next we have the NOZO blush, which another oldie but goodie, girl. amazing. I still am loving this. I use it every single day for work. This is again NOZO blush in the shade 4. Honestly don't remember if they had other shades, but this one's, girl, alleged do for NARS kind of vibe. You can tell from the packaging, but it's NOZO. I also just come with a cute little mirror, and then there's a look at the blush. So pretty. It definitely looks more muted in the viewfinder for whatever reason, but in person it honestly looks like a nice kind of mauve color. Once you throw it on, it honestly comes off more pinky vibes, a nice natural pink look. So really cute, love it for every day. Let me give it a swatch for you so you guys could see the vibes, but stunning product. Definitely recommend if you're looking for a blush. Definitely check out the NOZO blushes. I hope they're still available. So cute. Love the packaging as well. Love that it comes with a nice mirror. Travel friendly, everything friendly, so cute. Definitely worth it. Going to AOA Studio, we have 3 products today from Camo CC. So we have this mascara, which is called the Flawless Jet Black Mascara. I mentioned it in a recent haul video. Feeling a little self-conscious because again I did film a full face of Temu and I used a lot of glowy products, so now I feel like, do I look glowy or do I look sweaty? You know, I hope I'm looking nice and glowy and not sweaty vibes. Okay, but this is the mascara that I've been using every single day for work for 2 weeks. Also prior to that, this has been in my everyday makeup drawer, as you guys know, from when I filmed that. So it's gonna be time to get rid of this, but I don't know what it is about this. I don't know if it's the packaging, the wand, because the formula is okay, it's nothing crazy, but it just has become my favorite mascara for some reason, and just the one that I reach for. I think because it's so nice and travel friendly, it's small, easy to store, I don't know, but also the wand is really nice as well. Something about this, I'm sure the formula is also what's blowing me away, because otherwise I wouldn't be using it, but it gives me a nice little coat to the lashes, nothing crazy. It's something about this, I don't know, but it's become a favorite. Love the packaging as well. Setting spray from Camo CC is also really good. I recently finished my Revolution one, so I ended up throwing this in my everyday makeup drawer, which I'm going to update today. And this is the Flawless Matte Setting Spray. Honestly, I really have been enjoying this. I love the mister. It's nice and strong, but not like too intense. And the smell, honestly, I don't think it has a smell to it. I love the nozzle. It smells like nothing crazy. It just smells like setting spray, to be honest. So this is what I've been using every day for work, and honestly it's been really working well with my e.l.f. Camo CC cream. The concealer and everything just melts in perfectly together at the end of my makeup, so cute. We also have the AOA Studio Flawless Pressed Powder, which is also, it's just like all these products work well together, and that's why I keep reaching for them. The Flawless Pressed Powder from AOA Studio, this is actually my second or third one. I recently purchased it along with that mascara, and it just, girl, you guys have seen videos with this. It's just so good. Now, it's not the best kind of product for when it's like extremely hot, and as you guys saw in my most recent new makeup video, I was trying to use this to save the look, but it was just getting so powdery, mixed with sweat, mixed with products, and it just got chunky vibes. So definitely take a light hand when you're using this. Don't overdo it, but it's just so good. I love it to set my under eyes, to set the face. Everything about this product is giving me very much like SHEGLAM powder foundation vibes. You guys know that was a favorite for me. I still use it, love it. It has amazing coverage, but I've kind of just replaced it with this. It's just a lighter kind of texture compared to that one. It's just more on the thicker side. This one is just perfect for me, and as you can tell, I already hit pan, so love. Oh, actually, I don't think I was using this product with my new makeup video. I was using the SHEGLAM one. Yes, I hit pan on that product as well that day. Okay, never mind, scratch that. But it's still more on the thicker side, whatever. But if you still want to take a light hand with this, don't overdo it. Can definitely get cakey if you overdo it. Still amazing, love it. Lastly, we're going to talk about lips. And it's no secret, I'm still loving my EBIN NY Auto Lip Liner / eyeliner. I love this in the shade brown. Again, I mentioned I found this at Walmart, on the Walmart website, so that's where I've been purchasing my lip liner. So still loving that. Today I did use a different lip liner, which I'm testing out to see if I like more or less than this one here, comparing them. So we have a couple of liquid lipsticks. Today we have the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit, which was a very throwback kind of vibe, because I used to buy this, ooh, 2016, 17 vibes. Like, I saw this again and I just had to pick it up. Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit in the shade Rebel Rose was a favorite for me for many a year, and it just kind of like forgot about it and then just revisited this product, and I just love how it looks on the lips. It does not move throughout the day. I throw on my EBIN NY lip liner, tap this in the center, and my lips last the entire day. Girl, I just love this product. Looks so nice like mauve-y kind of shade. Let me give you guys a swatch. It's definitely giving vibes of the NOZO blush. They have the same kind of vibe, that mauve pink. Oh, well, kind of, sort of. Okay, well, kind of vibe, but so cute. If you've been looking for a liquid lipstick, it's not drying from what I've noticed, to be honest. Not like, I've tried worse. So this one's like pretty in the middle, not too drying, but it's still like matte vibes. Give it a try. They have many shades. And then lastly, this is the only like high-end product that I have in here. These are from Too Faced. They're melted mattes. You guys know I cannot put these down. I just have been loving these two shades here. I need to buy more, but I just like the formula. It's not too drying as well. I'd say it's like almost neck and neck with the Wet n Wild. I say this one's a little more on the drier side, a little more on the really matte side compared to these. These are really nice and like comfortable vibes, so I've really been enjoying these. I think this one here is in the shade Cool Girl, and then we have, I don't remember the shade. Like, I've used them so much that the names are rubbed off. So love, girl, love these. Definitely try them out. And I feel like they have a little bit of a plumping effect to them. I don't know, it's just the lips always look 10 out of 10 when I throw them on. And with that, that was actually the last product that I had to talk about. Let me know your favorites down below in the comments. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna try to attach this to my old like favorites playlist, so you guys can catch up on some of my past videos and past favorites if you guys want to see what other products I've been loving. But that's it. So that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.